Texas hits a new peak in the pandemic.
State officials reported more COVID-19 cases today than we've ever seen in a single day. More than 10,800 cases.
And as new cases reach new heights, a new warning about the future.
Listen now to Austin's top health expert, Dr. Mark Escott, who's calling what's happening in Texas a nightmare scenario.
El Paso has almost as many active cases right now as Travis County has had total cases throughout this pandemic. But El Paso is an absolute disaster right now. You know, we've received a little more than a dozen patients here from El Paso. They tried to send more, but many of those patients died before they could be transferred. El Paso is in a situation now where they have 10 refrigerated trucks to store bodies. Because we expect over the next couple of weeks that their death count is going to skyrocket. There are conversations right now about how other jurisdictions can support the excessive deaths because their local facilities simply can't manage processing that number of bodies. We are talking about a real catastrophe here, not only in El Paso and in other jurisdictions in Texas, but across the country. This is the nightmare scenario, and we are facing it right now. And if we don't act right now, then Travis County and other jurisdictions across Texas can be in a similar circumstance to what El Paso is facing right now. And we've got to work hard to avoid that. This is a problem for us. And if we don't rein this in quickly, Christmas is going to be very bleak in terms of our surge. But we have time. We have time to intervene. We have time to decrease transmission. But it takes the whole community to work together to reinvigorate that call for vigilance and our protective actions.